Hi, I'm Jodie. Welcome to my home. Come on in. I've lived here for 3 years now with my partner Ollie and my dog Roy Dandy. When we saw this place, it was derelict, but we saw that it had really good bones. It had really spacious rooms, high ceilings, original features, and we're really lucky that no one else wanted it. During the renovation, we've tried to inject as much personality as possible in all of the space, and we've just really tried to make it a real proper home. We're almost at the end of our transformation now, and we just have one room left. Let me take you upstairs and show you it. So this is our dressing room and the final part of the renovation. Much as I don't want it to be an afterthought, it's been really good to live in the space and see how we use it. I'm a creative person and I just love a room full of light. So we're going to put a much larger roof window in here, and then over this side we're going to add 2 single roof windows to flood the light through the space in both directions. So this space is finally finished and I'm just over the moon with how it's been completely transformed. I think just adding these additional windows on this side and replacing the window on that side has just flooded the space with light. We now use it so much. I use it all throughout the day. In fact, it's probably one of the spaces that I spend most of my time in. I love coming in here first thing in the morning and getting ready for the day. All of our clothes are in here, so it's just a really nice organised space to get dressed. My dressing table is under the window, so the light is perfect for makeup and hair, and again it just makes the whole morning a really enjoyable experience. I also use this space as a home office, and because I work in interiors, I'm using fabric samples the whole day, and all of this increased light means that I can see the colours in their truest form. But I can adjust the daylight throughout the day as needed. So much as this is a productive space, it's so easy to switch up the environment. Ollie and me will come up here in the evening, chill out, read, have a drink, listen to music. So it's just become the most multifunctional space in the house. We're so happy with how this space has turned out, and it's actually now become one of our favourite rooms in the house. It's somewhere now that we want to be all day.